yo, I told you I can't send seltzers with the boys until spring break because I'm trying to look like Shreddy Krueger. Dude, I'm about to do a video right now. I'll call you back in a second. Dude, the boys just don't get it, bro. I'm trying to be Shreddy Krueger for spring break. It's not gonna happen by drinking. So it's Monday right now. I just uploaded the video of the 2012 Daytona, or the 2012 GSX-R 1000. And I'm waiting on the comments to come in for Daytona or GSX-R. It's looking like I'm gonna be pumping out the GSX-R video next. I don't know, it's like solid 50-50 right now on which one I'm gonna do next. But in the meantime, I got in leathers, carpet, and a tablet dash for the 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. So let's get right into working on it. I'll show you what we're working with first. In this box right here, I have brand new carpet. Then I got myself in this box some alea leathers, and those are going to be going on the seats, which this Jeep is already gutted, and I have the seats over there. And also, last time you guys saw this Jeep, it wasn't floating because we ain't got no axles underneath this thing right now because they're sitting over here. And I'll probably get into this later in the video because I really don't feel like getting too dirty right now. I gotta strip these completely down for powder coat. Everything underneath this Jeep is gonna be candy red, you know, the red on red, and everything's gonna be color matched to this charcoal gray. So, first thing I guess I'm gonna start doing here is I'm gonna vacuum the tub again, even though this thing's been washed about 12 times. Start putting the carpet in because I have to put the carpet in before I can put the seats back in. I know it's just carpet, guys, but I am really excited with this stuff, and it looks really clean, you know, brand new carpet inside this thing. I did not cut out the tab holes for, like, there's one here on each side, driver and passenger, that holds the carpet kind of in place, and then there's two hooks in the back. I need to cut out the carpet for that, but I'm gonna put the seats in first to make sure everything's really like exactly where it needs to be before I cut into the carpet. We're gonna start with the rear seats. I gotta pull this off. Right here is all the leather. This is pretty labor intensive, so I'm just gonna put this on a time lapse real quick, me pulling this all apart and getting them in the back of the Jeep. Give you guys a little reference of how long this takes. It just took me 15 minutes to pull the cloth off. They get held in. Top one got, you know, 3 hog rings right here. So there's 11 hog rings on that bottom seat cushion. Hopefully I can get these on in like 20 minutes. So I'll only be like 45 minutes into getting this whole seat done and put inside the Jeep. There we go. Both of the rear seats are done. These went on, I'd say, pretty easy. The leather needs to, you know, heat up and really form to the seat. It's got a couple little bit of wrinkles in it. But I'm gonna put the big piece in first. So let's get these things mounted up here in the back. Oh, also, I got these. Check this out. Neil, the guy before me, he put these blocks in here for the rear seat so they sit a little bit further like backwards. If any of you guys have been inside a 4-door Jeep, the back seats sit like completely vertical and it's very uncomfortable. So I got these blocks to put in, and yeah, these seats will be like just a little bit less uncomfortable. These seats are nice right here. I can't wait to get these front ones in. Let's get back over there, start upholstering the front ones up. There we go, guys. The whole interior is done, and I gotta say, this red just looks so sick. Like, I'm so excited to finish this build up because, like, just check this out. Like, that looks insane. And then with the red undercarriage on it, this thing's just gonna look so sick. So now that the seats are done, what I started doing was opening up the box to do the stereo because I have the tablet dash. This is a 10.2-inch tablet dash by Android, and they forgot to send me in the box. We got the two pieces right here. You have to replace that whole piece because this is so big. The actual like curve of the gauge cluster plastic is different, but they didn't send me the back piece to this, so I can't install this. So I emailed them. They said they're going to send me another one out ASAP. So now that I can't put that in, I guess we're going to go over to Eric's shop real quick and see how my paintwork's doing. And if that's not done, we're going to start tearing down these axles. So let's go check out to see how the grumper, bumper, and fenders are doing. My Jeep videos aren't doing very well.
No?
I have a bike audience, you know.
You want me to send you pictures when they're in the booth?
Yeah, if you could send me, do you have an iPhone?
No, I don't have it.
I was gonna say, you can take, it's time to come over here and start stripping down these axles so I can go drop them off for powder coat. Alright guys, that just took like a long time. I don't even know how long that just took, but you know, your favorite one-man show right here, working till like 4 in the morning. You know, I'm gonna load these up in the back of my truck. It's like really late right now. So I'm probably gonna put them in the back of my truck, spray them down with degreaser, hit them with the hose, then drive home, go to bed, and drop these off to Nick in the morning. People ask me how to get shredded. 2 reps, 1 set, putting axles in the back of a truck. Alright guys, it's the next day here. Nick's taking the axles and everything, and hopefully when they come back they look sick. And we're back here at the shop. Nick just took all of the undercarriage stuff to go get powder coated candy red, and I actually just did a tally up of what bike build I'm gonna do next. So this is GSXR, this was Daytona. Daytona absolutely won by a landslide. I hate to say it guys, we're gonna be doing the GSXR 1000 build first because of this one problem. These are the fairings for the Daytona 675, and I actually gave Nick the wrong color to do the powder coat to, so I'm gonna have to take this stuff off and go get that repowder coated. By Monday, I'll have this kit on the GSXR 1000, and this bike is gonna look so sick, you guys. Like, for a 07 1000, this thing is gonna look modern and just disgustingly clean. Before we end this video, I got one more thing I wanna do this Jeep. I just got in the mail the halo headlights. So we're gonna install these things, and what I normally like to do is I tap into this wire right here and I run the halos off of the running lights, and then also, you know, hook the blinker up through that. So let's get these things in there. They're only held in with like 3, I want to say T15 bolts, and then pull it out, place these wires up. It's all plug and play. Dang, check that out. So this Jeep is like really dead for some reason, so I put it on the trickle charger. I really wanted to show you guys it with the halos on, and then, you know, them blinking amber for the turning signals, but we can't do that. What I ended up doing here was just leaving these wires out here on the side because it has aftermarket turn signals in this grumper. What I'm gonna do is, you know, obviously wire the new turn signals into this right here and heat shrink everything up, make it all good to go once that stuff comes in. But that is gonna be it for right now, you guys. I hope you're enjoying the Jeep build, and I'll catch you guys Monday for some GSXR 1000 content. Peace out.